You've just been served with an emergency protective order, and this is the first time you found out that someone has filed for a restraining order against you. What are your next steps? Hi, my name is Carl Burkhead. I'm an attorney with Worth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing family and criminal law for almost 8 years now, and I want to help you make law easy by talking a little bit about what to do if you've been served with a protective order. Um, so the biggest thing that I can tell you in this situation, and what a lot of people forget, is don't reach out to the person that filed for the protective order against you. I realize that, just sitting here watching this video, that probably seems like a very easy, no-brainer, common sense thing to do. But you got to understand, for a lot of people in these situations, it's very emotional. You don't just go through your day expecting to get served with legal paperwork, much less with a restraining order. And it's pretty understandable that you might feel a little bit emotional after that. You might be upset, you might be confused. You're definitely going to feel hurt because no matter what, it's going to seem like some kind of betrayal of trust. Whether or not the grounds for the protective order are justified, whether or not you've actually done what the petitioner has accused you of doing, it's never easy, and it's never an easy pill to swallow whenever you've been served with this paperwork. And a lot of times I'll get clients that they'll come to me and they say, I just got so upset. I didn't understand what was going on. I didn't understand why this was happening. I wanted answers, and so I called them, or so I texted them, or so I went to their house. Please save yourself. No, no, no. Don't do that. Because if you do that, then you're risking picking up a criminal charge for a protective order violation. What you need to do is you need to either contact an attorney or on your own start figuring out what evidence you have and what testimony you can bring to refute these charges. Um, I definitely recommend hiring an attorney, not just because I'm a lawyer and I'm biased, but because honestly, we see these things all the time. We know the process, we know the law, and we know how to navigate it. So whether on your own or with an attorney, just let's sit down. Let's figure out what evidence you have. Let's figure out, do you have any witnesses that can refute these allegations? Do you have anyone that can say, no, I never saw them slap that person? Or do you have anyone that can say, oh yeah, no, on the night that they're saying that they were getting their head stomped in, my buddy was actually with me. He wasn't even there. I'm his alibi. Let's figure out what witnesses you have that can help bolster your defense. What evidence do you have that can help bolster your defense? And let's figure out what we can do to keep this from becoming a final order of protection, because you have rights, you have a life, and we want to make sure that those rights are protected and that you're able to still live your life the way that you want to be able to live it. My name is Carl Burkhead. I'm an attorney with Worth Law Office, and I want to help you make law easy. Thank you.